How do I make a call to a phone number in Philippines with the country code +63?
Hello, and welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to call a phone number in the Philippines. Today, we'll be helping you understand how to use the country code +63 correctly. This tutorial will provide you with all the information you need to ensure your call goes through without any issues.
Understanding the international dialing format.
Before dialing, it's important to grasp the standard international dialing format. This format is plus, country code, area code, local phone number. So, if you're calling the Philippines, the country code is +63. The area code and local phone number will depend on the specific location and phone number you are trying to reach.
Know the area code.
When making a call to the Philippines, the area code is necessary after dialing the country code. The area codes in the Philippines are 1 or 2 digits long. For instance, if you're calling Manila, the capital city, the area code is 2. Thus, in this case, after dialing +63, you would follow it with 2, the area code for Manila.
Dialing the local phone number.
The final step involves dialing the local phone number. The local phone number is typically 7 digits long. Once you've dialed the country code and area code, you can follow this up by dialing the local phone number.
Putting it all together.
Now that we've understood each component, let's put it all together. If you're dialing a number in Manila, you'll start by dialing your international access code, for example, 011 if you're in the US, then the country code for the Philippines, which is +63, followed by the area code for Manila, which is 2, and finally the local 7-digit phone number. Therefore, the full dialing format will look like this: 011 +63 +2 plus, local 7-digit number. That's all there is to it. We hope this guide has helped clarify how to correctly dial a phone number in the Philippines. Always remember to start with the country code, followed by the area code, and then the local number. If you follow these steps, your call should go through without a hitch. Happy dialing!